You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say these tongue twister. Let's start slowly. Imagine an imaginary menagerie, manager, managing an imaginary menagerie. Okay, now it's fun to try faster. Imagine an imaginary menagerie, manager managing an imaginary menagerie. Yeah, that's how you say it. Try and pronounce it. Say it several times faster and faster. It's super fun. I'll leave you to it. Enjoy, and more videos for you here with more tongue twisters and more fun pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.